Let's get it on! Okay, yung timeout po natin ha, both team leaders ha, and coaches ha, advance ano lang tayo ha, mag-advance sa timeout lang tayo. Hindi pwedeng ano ha, outright yung timeout ha. Okay, jump ball! Ito na! Bakbaka na! Jump ball between Ron and Martinez. Ball na ulit yung Jimmy Apple. Ron Isidro.
40 to shoot. High.
Estapia.
High.
Rueda. Estapia for the rebound.
10 to shoot.
Ron Isidro. Pull-up jumper. Ron Isidro! Mike Aquino to Lagunza.
14 to shoot.
Mike. Tommy.
10 to shoot.
Marlon. Straight to the hook. Rebound by Ron Isidro. Ron Isidro, then the ball pass to Estapia. Estapia.
14 to shoot.
Noel Tagakay.
10.
From Jiggy. Jiggy Apple. Here comes Romeo Navarro. Estapia is there.
10 to shoot.
Block!
High. Goal.
Rebound by Marlon. Here comes Valentin. Valentin. Tommy.
14 to shoot.
Okay, rebound by Romeo Navarro. Here comes Jiggy. Deep lift. Deep
14
lift.
to shoot.
Tommy, jersey number 46. Pass to Marlon Fernandez. Martinez, correction. Okay, there's a miss.
Foul number 18. First personal foul. First team foul. 14 to shoot.
Tommy,
10.
Martinez. There's the whistle.
Foul number 18.
Okay, inbound by
14 shot clock.
Rico. May same ball.
11 shot clock.
11 shot clock, 11 seconds to shoot. Tommy Lagunza. Marlon. Marlon.
High.
Tommy. Rico of Rico. It's short. Okay, the ball will go to White State. Nagigigil ka? Valentin? Okay, here comes the 24th MVP. Ang 25th na ngayon.
14 to shoot.
Okay, the ball will go to the red shirt. Wala muli, Rico. Okay, Tommy. 5 minutes. Rico, taking three. To Tommy.
14 to
Tommy.
shoot.
Straight to the hoop. To Mike Aquino.
Yeah.
Marlon is there. Marlon. Rico. No. Here comes Jiggy Apple. Jiggy Apple. Block by Marlon. Save ball. Team Isaiah.
Timeout. 15 to shoot. 15 shot clock.
Stop it. Marlon.
Foul. Number 24. Shot clock.
Marlon Martinez, person number 15.
10 to shoot.
Pasa kay Valentin. Valentin. Pass to Martinez. Lumigatan ng 3. Yes, sir! Marlon Martinez! Lamang na ang South Luzon. Ronnie Sidra for 3. No! May rebound by Tommy Lagunza. Straight to the hook. No? Same ball. 2 minutes and 45 seconds first quarter. Lamang na isa ang South Luzon. 5 and 4. Here's Valentin. Pass to Rico. Bounce pass to Marlon. Marlon. Marlon Martinez.
Foul 46.
Block by Rico.
14 to shoot.
Wait, rebound by Mike. Here comes Tommy Lagunza. Rico. Nagigigil si Rico. Hurry. Whistle.
Foul 31.
We have a free throw.
Personal foul. Warning for penalty.
And we have a free throw shot on Rico. Second roll. Ay, walang pumatok. Okay, 7 and 4.
For big shoot. Pass.
Ron from the elbow. No. Rebound by Marlon.
Penalty coach. Penalty.
May penalty. Okay, penalty na ang Visayas. We have a free throw shot on Marlon Martinez. First roll. Second roll for Marlon Martinez. The basket is good. 1 minute and 35 seconds. First quarter. 9-4. Diba, kalabangan ng South Luzon. Joel. Ron.
10 shoot.
Ron Isidro. Ron Isidro. Nine 6.
40 to shoot.
Tatlo kalabangan ng team.
1 minute 10 to shoot.
Hey, there's the whistle.
Penalty.
Foul on Ruel Tagakay. We have a free throw shot on Tommy Lagusad, jersey number 46. Basket is good. Second drop for Tommy Lagunsad. May limang layuan. Ten six. Favor of Team South Luzon. Ruel. To Mark. Continues. No.
30 seconds. 14 shot clock.
Wait, 14 seconds shot clock. 14 seconds to shoot. Ziggy Apio.
10 to shoot.
Ramil. Lays it up. Puts it in. Ramil.
20 seconds.
Navarro. Rico.
10 seconds.
10 seconds. Long Isidro lays it up. Puts it in. Long Isidro. Okay, tabla po tayo. 10 block sa 10. Hey. Here comes Nasi Spiritu. Araneta. Araneta. Knocks it down. Falls away. 3. Watson.
10 to shoot.
We have a free throw shot from Boricat. No basket for the first. Second drop for Dixon de los Ricos. Boricat. Okay, basket is good. We score natin is 13-11 in favor of South Luzon. Mga lista. O Montreal. Back kay ng lista. Itong lista. Jamie Nolu. Pass. Gembiane. Move. Okay, rebound by jersey number 3. JBT.
14 to shoot.
Ponce. High. Lemon. Ponce. No. Onker already started under the basket. And there's the whistle. We have a free throw shot on Ismael Conqueror. Unang tira. Second row for Ismael Conqueror. 8 minutes and 37 seconds. Second quarter. A basket is good for Ismael. Pangalista. Traveling. 8 minutes and 20 seconds. Second quarter. Boricat.
14 to shoot.
JPT. To Conqueror.
Ismael.
Ismael Conqueror. We have the ball free throw shot on the end.
Walang tumutulong sa kita.
Basket is good. Montreal. Ay, kung ako ni Jordi Ponce. Bien viaje. Busca segundo lista. Montreal.
Visayas.
Wala nang bukas sa Montreal. Matibay. This is final. Leo Anthony Denson.
14 to shoot.
Buricat. Tiro by Bien Viaje.
14. Warning for technical.
Francis Tiro to Evangelista. Evangelista. Block by Parker. Okay, nice variation. Bola ng Visayas. 5 minutes and 50 seconds. Second quarter. Inbound by Ponce to Denson. Here comes Neil Anthony Denson. Jersey number 23. Dribbling the ball. Pass to Buricat. Buricat to Ponce.
14 to shoot.
No! Bottom si Denson.
23.
May inbound.
First personal foul. Second team foul. Visayas.
Okay, second team ball ng Visayas, ha? May Montreal. JBT. Buricat. Buricat. Question number 15. Wait, there is a whistle.
Foul number 4. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty. South Luzon. 14 to shoot. 14 shot clock. 14 shot clock.
5 minutes and 9 seconds. Johnson.
10. 5-5 penalty. Second personal foul penalty.
Shot of Jesse Ponce.
To shoot.
Bien, bien. Block by Conqueror. Steal by Araneta. Araneta.
Foul. Foul number 4. Ponce. First personal foul.
Yeah, the free throw shot of
First team foul.
First row for Araneta. Basket is good. Marikina Pride, Jason Araneta, second row. Okay, basket is good. 17-15. Dalawa ka naman. South Luzon. 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Second quarter. And then so to put it back.
14 to shoot.
Here, Anthony Benson. 3 points. Ay, lamang na ng isa. Ang
14 to shoot. Foul number 13.
Wait, hold on. Si JBP.
Second personal foul. Warning for penalty. Visayas.
May warning pa lang for penalty. So, isa pa.
14 shot clock. 10 to shoot.
By Barcelona. Still may viaje. Evangelista. Araneta for 3. No! Espírito! 19-18. Okay, sa
14 to shoot.
2 minutes and 20 seconds.
10 to shoot.
Put it back. Pull up. 10. Burika, 2 points. Two minutes.
14 to shoot.
Okay, Monreal, lays it up. No.
Foul. Okay, time out. South Luzon.
And we have a free throw shot on Neil Anthony Denso, second row. Jersey number 23, ng Team Visayas. Ibang na Italiano. Okay, steal by JPT. JPT. Burika. Bam! Burika! 2 points. 1 minute and 38.
14 to shoot.
Okay, tatlo, kalamangan ng Visayas. Speed move. Kalamangan ng block. Okay, foul doon si Burican. Jersey number 15.
Who's foul rep?
Jersey number 15. Burican.
Number 15. Penalty.
Okay, basket is good for the first row for Dennis Gen Viaje. Second row for Gwen Viaje. Okay, basket is good. Okay, namang pa rin ang isa ang Visayas. 1 minute and 15 seconds. Deal by Nets. Espiritu. Is it up? No? Glenn Bonreal.
14 to shoot.
Epangilista. No. Rebound. Spin move by Borica. Jersey number 15.
There's a whistle. Foul number 10. Penalty.
Okay, penalty. We have a free throw shot on Burikat.
Second personal foul, penalty.
Jersey number 15, Visayas. Hindi pumasok. Second row for Burikat.
50 seconds, 50 seconds.
Okay, 50 seconds na lang ang natitira sa oras natin for second quarter. Limang pa rin ang isa ang Team Visayas. 22-21. Swerte naman. Ganda. Same ball.
8 seconds to shoot. 8 to shoot.
Okay, 8 seconds shot clock. 8 seconds to shoot.
Nice.
Rebound by Burikat. Jason Araneta, lazy round. Puts it in. Jason Araneta. Defensive foul on Neil Anthony Benson.
20 seconds. 20 seconds.
Okay, 20 seconds na lang.
No more shot
Isa
clock.
on South Luzon.
14.
10 to Dennis.
10. 5.
And Idol Kapungpol. Third quarter. Baratil. Makalista.
Time to shoot.
Lead by Richard Maroto. Lays it up. Okay, tingin sa Wilson. Ball ko si Denrick. We have a free throw shot on jersey number 10, Richard Maroto. Basket is good. Oy, 25-23 na, dalawa. Kalamangan ng Visayas. Second row for Richard Marotel. Ang bala! Here comes Russell Asuncion.
40 to shoot.
Hendricks! Dennis! Tatanan!
14 to shoot. 10 to shoot.
Ending in 8. Russell Asuncion. Mike Garcia. Lays it up. And it's blocked. Super, Malalay. Same ball. Eight minutes and 37 seconds. Third quarter. Naman pa rin ang Team Visayas ng 1 point.
Warning for delay the game. Number 9, Asuncion.
A warning on Asuncion for delay the game. Bell. Richard. Russell. Richard Barotel on rebound. whistle. We have a free throw shot on Richard Barotel. First row. Pwede pumasok ang unang tira. Second row for Richard Barotel. Rebound by Mike. We have a whistle. Ball on Harvey Kapungko. 8 minutes. Santos on is up by 2 points. Great Dennis. Tara.
14 to shoot.
Field by Tupel. Malalay. Oh, there's a whistle.
Foul, South Luzon.
Seconds. Third quarter, 28-26. South Luzon is up by 2 points. This is old school Inter-Island Class A Division Championship. Wala ng bukas matira ang matibay. Okay, bola na punta sa mga nakapula. South Luzon. Here comes Rasen Asuncion. Jersey number 9. Giving the ball.
Ping, pasok na naman.
Hey, the ball will go to the white shirt. Uy, nagmadali. Nagmadali ang mga nakaputi. 5 minutes and 40 seconds. Third quarter tayo. Here comes Rasen.
14 to shoot.
Pero si Mike Petrano.
Foul number 9.
Okay, foul si Rasen Asuncion.
Second. First personal foul. Warning for penalty. South Luzon. 14 shot clock.
Warning number penalty ang South Luzon.
10 to shoot. Foul number 9.
Another ball for Rasen
Second
Asuncion.
personal foul. Penalty.
Okay, we have a free throw shot on Subico. Second row for Rainier Subico. Rasen. Evangelista. Evangelista.
To shoot.
Well, Malala.
And
Rebound by Subico. Richard.
14 to shoot.
Three minutes. Mike. Block.
10 to shoot.
Richard Arote. Evangelista. Kick. Not this time. Block again. Lebrex. Rasa Concepcion. Speed move.
Timeout. Visayas.
30-28. South Luzon is up by 2 points.
14 to
Pass to
shoot.
Rasa Concepcion. Jersey number 9. Pass to Dennis Nadala. Dentrix. The flying carpet. Mike Garcia.
Baba na, baba na.
1 minute and 30 seconds.
14 to shoot.
32-28. Barote.
And foul. 19. Penalty.
Ball on Dennis. Nadala. May penalty tayo.
Ano nangyari?
We have a free throw shot on Richard Barotel. First throw. Basket is good for Richard Barotel. Second throw for Richard. Garcia.
And to shoot.
Bola mapupunta sa mga nakaputi. Okay, 58 seconds. 32-29. Tatlo kalamangan ng South Luzon. Here comes the Visayas. Tupel Malalay.
14 to shoot.
Harvey.
40 seconds.
Suiko. In and out. May bola naman ni Rasen. Rasen Asuncion.
30 seconds.
Ready to the hoop. No! Rebound by Tupel. Lays it up! Puts it in! Malalay! Uy, isa na lang. Isa na lang kalaman
10 seconds.
ng nakapula. Dennis Nadala. 8 seconds.
5.
Lays it up. Okay, that will go in for na totoong bakbakan. Fourth and final quarter. Montreal. No. Hey, we have a foul on Tommy. Okay. Okay, Jiggy Apio. Jersey number 1 to run.
14 to shoot. 10 to shoot.
Lamang na ang Visayas. Oh, cheer na kayo! Go, go, go!
14 to shoot.
Martinez.
10 to shoot.
Tumuhan ka si Tommy. Marlon. Oy, miscommunication. Cheer na ang Visayas! 8 minutes and 48 seconds, fourth and final quarter. Jiggy Apio.
14 to shoot.
Ponces for 3. No. Pero sa kanila pa rin ang bola. Jiggy Apio.
10 to shoot.
Ronnie Cedro on 3. Same ball.
14 shot clock. 14 seconds to shoot.
14-second shot clock. 14 seconds to shoot. Ronnie Cedro. Apio.
10.
Burkat. Pull up. No. Hindi pa rin ang bola.
10 to shoot.
8 minutes. Jiggy. 3. Jiggy. Lamang na ang Visayas.
14 to shoot.
Okay, there's a whistle. 4 ang kalamangan ng Visayas.
Foul number 15. 14 seconds to shoot. 14 seconds to shoot.
We still have 7 minutes and 30 seconds. Fourth and final quarter. Glenn.
10.
Arameta. Yung biyahe. Rebound by Bonicat.
To shoot.
Ronnie Cedro. Bonicat.
Sub.
Same ball. Substitution. Biyong
10 to
biyahe.
shoot. 10 seconds to shoot.
And Tommy nagsa. 7 minutes. This is fourth and final quarter.
5.
Bonicat. No. Okay, bola na ako ni Marlon Martinez. Glenn Montreal. No. Okay, the ball will go up to the white shirt.
Sub, rep, sub.
Substitution. Ponce. Bonicat. Six minutes and 30 seconds, fourth and final quarter. Score natin 36-32
14 to shoot.
in favor of Team Visayas.
10 to shoot.
To Parodio, Richard, no. Okay, bola na po ni Russell Asuncion. Wait, there's a whistle. Ball on the
Foul
bell.
number 6. Sub, rep.
Substitution. Glenn
First
Montreal.
personal foul. Second team foul.
Russell
14 to shoot. 10 to shoot.
Steal by Richard Parodio.
Foul. Foul number 3. Sub, rep.
Substitution. Mark Estapia.
First personal foul.
Akala ko ikaw ang
Third team foul.
We have a free throw shot on Jiggy Apio. First round. Basket is good. 4 minutes and 54 seconds, fourth and final quarter. Second row for Jiggy Apio. 24th MVP. Basket is good. 38-32. Okay, batting violation.
14 seconds shot clock. 14 seconds shot clock.
Four minutes and 45 seconds.
Time to
Jiggy.
shoot.
Chappelle. Return.
High. Shot clock violation. Shot clock violation.
Wait 24 seconds. Shot
Stop,
clock
bro.
violation.
Stop.
Vicente Valentin. 4 minutes and 30 seconds. Fourth and final quarter. Jason Androneta.
14 to shoot. Foul number 6.
nagmura.
Second personal foul. Third team foul.
Here comes Russell Asuncion.
Time to shoot.
38-32. Marlon. Chappelle. Great ball on Martinez.
Third personal foul. Warning for penalty. South zone. Count up, count up.
We have a free throw shot on Ismael Conqueror. First row. Basket is good. 39-32. Ito na kalamangan ng Visayas. Second row for Conqueror. Basket is good. Wala na. Rigo Abrigo.
14 to shoot.
Rigo for three. Bola ng Visayas. Visayas magingay. Three minutes and 40 seconds. Chappelle Malalay to
14 to
Apio.
shoot.
Apio to Ron. Ron Isidro.
Time to shoot.
Ismael.
High.
Jiggy. Hingi ng pick. Pull up jumper. No.
Good.
Marlon is there. To Russell. Lumipad. Yes, Russell. Asuncion. Ay, shoot the ball game. 3 minutes and 16 seconds. Anim ang kalabangan ng Visayas. Ronnie Isidro.
14 to shoot.
3 minutes.
High.
Jiggy. Jersey number 1.
High.
Pick. Ang ganda. Hindi lang nakuha. 2 minutes and 55 seconds. Fourth and final quarter. Grabe ang labanan dito sa Inter-Island. Marlon Martinez. Mike Garcia. Lays it up. No. Okay, the ball will go to Team Visayas. 2 minutes and 42. Bola ng Visayas. Visaya! Magingay! Okay. 2 minutes and 38 seconds. Jiggy Apil dribbling the ball to Ron Isidro. Ron
14
Isidro.
to shoot.
2 minutes and 32. Jupel. Jupel malalay. Asa kay Mark Estapia.
Mark.
Ikaw. Okay, ball on Mark Estapia.
Warning for penalty, Visayas, both teams on warning for penalty.
Jason Araneta. Raza. 2 minutes
14 to shoot.
Bola ng Visayas. Anim pa rin ang kalabangan. Last 2 minutes!
14 to shoot.
Last 2 minutes na tayo. Offensive foul. Mark Estapia. Ayan, pa rin kalabangan. 14-34. Russell. Block. Ramil. Ito, Jupel. All alone. Jupel. Yes, sir. Jupel. Jason Araneta. Bola for 3. No. I can see it.
Foul.
Both teams
Foul number
penalty.
6, penalty.
Okay, we have a free throw shot on Russell Asuncion. Second row for Russell Asuncion. No. Rebound by Hill. Navarro. Ron.
14 to shoot.
Jupel Manala. 1 minute and 15 seconds.
Three to shoot. 3 seconds to shoot.
Okay, same ball.
3 seconds to shoot.
Line violation.
Sub, sub.
Ramil Navarro. Mark, stop it. 1 minute and 4 seconds. Ito, malaman ko ng size. Okay, dito may Chicky Apil. Okay, bola ng South Luzon.
To shoot. 14 seconds to shoot.
Okay, there's a whistle. Ito ang kalamangan ng Visayas.
9 seconds to shoot. 9 seconds to shoot.
Mike Garcia. Steal by Richard Barroquio.
Foul number 11.
Foul on
Penalty.
Garcia.
Both teams on penalty.
Okay, we still have. First row. Second row for Richard Barodio. Basket good. 41 seconds. Shot up. Kay Coach Tristan. Araneta. Ayaw.
31 seconds. 31 seconds.
Okay, 31 seconds. Walo ang kalamangan ng Team Visayas. 31 seconds. Okay, the ball will be found by the white shirt. Chukal, Malalay. Barotil. Foul on Jason Araneta.
30 seconds.
30 seconds. Quarter final quarter. All score enter Island. Pasay Division. Basket is good. Second draw for Richard Barodio. Okay, Tita Mike. Tita.
20 seconds.
Okay, there's the whistle. 20 seconds. Okay, we have a
Third, personal foul, penalty.
okay, score natin 44-35 in favor of Team Visayas.
Pasok.
We have a free throw shot on Jiki Apio. Unang tira.
20 seconds.
Second row for Jiki Apio. Basket is good. Mike Medrano, three!
17 seconds. Visayas.
13 seconds na lang ang natitira.
13
For the
seconds.
final quarter. Ron. Wait.
Foul.
Foul on
Sub ref.
Mike Garcia.
Sub ref.
We have a free throw shot on Ron Isidro. Basket is good. Second round for Ron Isidro. Right, for the rebound. Timeout.
10 seconds. 10 seconds.
Stop.
10 seconds.
El Santosan.
High.